Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can use Adobe Firefly on your mobile device. Now, if you don't know what Adobe Firefly is, it's the new family of creative generative AI models that are coming to Adobe products. They're focusing initially on image and text effect generation. However, Firefly will offer new ways to ideate, create and communicate while significantly improving creative workflows. So it's basically a range of AI tools that should be able to help people in their day-to-day life and with their work. So to start with, you first want to be in Google and you just want to type in Adobe Firefly. So once you've searched that, you can see this one here, the first non-sponsored link, Adobe Firefly Generative AI for Creatives. So go ahead and click on this. And then once you've clicked on that, you can see a button that says Explore Firefly Beta. So click on that and we'll be taken to the beta version of Firefly. Okay, so here's where we actually get access to all of Adobe Firefly's products. So if we just scroll down, here we can see there's text to image, generative fill, text effects, and there's also generative recolor. Now, these are all the products that are currently available. You can scroll down a bit more to see what else they're working on. So you can see there's 3D to image, which is absolutely insane. You can create a 3D scene and use a text prompt to generate an image. So hopefully this will be out sometime soon. And there's also a few more products that will be out soon, such as extend image. So you can extend your image with a single click, just like you can in the Photoshop generative AI. You'll be able to do that with this. And that's all the features that they have currently announced. So now I'm going to get into how to use the products that are actually available right now. So text to image is pretty straightforward. You basically just type in what you want and it will generate an image based on what your prompt is. So if I were to type in cat wearing a top hat and then select generate, after a few moments here it will actually generate a photo of a cat wearing a top hat, and the more detail you put in, the more detail the picture will be in. So you basically want to work on your prompt. So as you can see, it's loaded in now, and that's pretty good. Considering the AI's made that, it's really good. So we can give this a thumbs up just to tell Adobe that it's good. And at the top, we can also like it and download it if we want to. And now, as you can see here, it gives us a few different options. So just in case we weren't happy with the first one, we can look through all of these and choose which one suits what we want best. Now, next up is generative fill. So this is where you can basically use a brush to remove objects or paint in new ones. So you can actually upload your own image. However, I'm just going to try it out with this one. So if I were to change the background, what I would do is click add, and I can literally just move this around and basically remove this background. Obviously, it's not going to be perfect because I'm just on my phone here. However, once we are actually close enough to done, we can click generate, and it will actually generate. And since I didn't put in a prompt, it will generate based off the fish. So it looks quite similar to what it started with, since a fish is usually in the water. So it has put the fish in the water since I didn't put a prompt. However, if I were to put a prompt and say put it in a desert, it would put it in a desert. Next up, we have text effects. So with this one, as you can see by this pop-up, mobile support is currently limited in landscape mode. For the optimal experience, use portrait mode or switch to a desktop browser. So the way to basically get this working is to use portrait mode. And then from there, you can type in whatever text you want and you can type in the effect that you want to give. So let's just say we wanted the word ocean to look like the ocean. So each letter kind of looks like the sea. We can do that, and that's the result it would give us. And then last but not least, we've got generative recolor. So this can basically generate color variations of your vector artwork from a detailed text description. So here you can upload your SVG file, or you can try out one of these. So I'm just going to try out this. And then as you see, it will give us different kind of colors based on the prompt that we give it. So this is really cool. There's tons of features here that can really help out in people's day-to-day lives and their work. And some of the stuff that they will continue to bring out will be really beneficial for the world. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you managed to successfully use Adobe Firefly on your mobile device. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.